Hey, that's not my snoring, and that's not my wife. But seriously, if you have a snoring problem or other nasal breathing problems, then the Breathe Max Nasal Dilator can be your solution. The new Breathe Max Nasal Dilator is the most comfortable and effective nasal breather in the market today. Unlike one-time use disposable strips, the breather is washable, reusable, and available in 4 sizes. Made of soft, flexible, latex-free, FDA-approved materials, Breathe Max gently goes into your nostrils and instantly opens up your nasal passages 100% for maximum nasal airflow. And you and I know that breathing fully at night provides a restful night's sleep, so you will feel refreshed the next day. Breathe Max also relieves nasal congestion caused by colds and allergies, relieves deviated septum breathing problems, and maximizes your breathing to enhance your workouts just like her. Use Breathe Max at night and feel great today. Visit us at breathemaxatnight.com.